Blue Spectacles beer reviews. Going to be taking a look at another Kona beer. This is their Big Wave. This beer gets good scores on Beer Advocate, and the bros have not looked at it. And it is 4.4 ABV. So, I had their Longboard Island Lager, which I really liked. So, Kona beers just got to my area, or just got to my store. So, let's check this one out. Yep, saw some bulk there, and I think you did too. Alright, let's go ahead and pour this golden... Oh, there's still some smoke going out there. Let's pour this Big Wave Golden Ale down the center. Nothing at the bottom whatsoever. Okay, with that pour, we have a crackling two-finger white spongy head, and the body is a dark golden color that is clear and has sporadic bubbles. The aroma is pretty hop forward. Like a piney hop. It's a piney hop. It's hop forward in a piney sort of way. And that's really what I'm getting. Possibly some barley malts beneath that piney hop. That's interesting. I would like to try more of Kona's beers. I don't know what of their beers I will be getting, but I definitely want to try more. The flavor is very similar. A white, bready barley malts beneath the hopness. It's not really that bitter, nor is it really that sweet. It's a nice golden ale, almost like a lager, really. But it has enough ale character to be an ale, and the hop flavor is really piney and slightly citrusy. Yeah, it's not really that bitter, like I said, but it's very delicious. It's really nice. I like it quite a bit, actually. Mouthfeel is light to medium, more towards heading towards medium. It's slightly dry, slightly effervescent on the tongue. Like I can feel those bubbles. It's drinkable, refreshing, and it's just another winner, just like the Longboard Island Lager was. That was just. This is another winner, just like that one was. This one and the other one are both just delicious beers. You know, they have a lot of character and nice flavor to them that I would easily pick up a six pack of them. You know, I just like them both, and hopefully I will be getting some more of them, so I can try more from Kona. I'll give this an A. I think it's really excellent and nice. I would buy a 6-pack of it, even for $10. You know, I'm sure that Hy-Vee sells it for less though. I bought this at Hy-Vee in a single for about $1.60. But I would buy a 6-pack of it because it's really delicious. You know, it's a good beer to have around. I would say, just like the Longboard Island Lager. You know, just a good beer to have around to drink. So, Definitely, definitely delicious. Definitely awesome. Pick it up. Pick it up if you see it. Definitely worth your money and your time and your palate.